morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rosita Amelia from the Medical Laboratory Technology Study Program. Here, I will present what cancer is and how to treat it. My presentation will be divided into three parts. First, introduction, second, discussion, and lastly is closing. What is cancer? Cancer is an abnormal and uncontrolled division of cells, known as cancer cells that invade and destroy the surrounding tissues. Generally, cancer is defined as uncontrolled proliferation of cells without any differentiation. Cancer cells are different from normal cells in some aspects. They do not remain confined to one part of the body. They penetrate and infiltrate into adjoining tissues and disclose their functions. Some of the cancer cells get detached from the main site of origin and travel by blood and lymph to sites distant from the original tumor and from fresh colonies, called metastasis or secondary growth. How cancer cells differ from normal cells? Normal cells have a limited lifespan. They are usually replaced by new cells through cell division and cell differentiation. Their production is regulated in such a manner that the number of a given cell type remains nearly constant. Normal cells show a property called contact inhibition. Due to this property, they contact with other cells, inhibit their uncontrolled growth. Cancer cells seem to have lost this property, but cancer cells do not respond to normal growth control mechanism. These cells proliferate in an unregulated manner and form clones of cells which can expand irregularly. This uncontrolled growth is called tumor or neoplasm. Type of tumors. Number 1. Benign tumor or non-malignant tumor. It remains confined to the site of its origin and does not spread to other parts in the body. It causes limited damage to the body. It is non-cancer. Number 2. Malignant tumor or cancer tumor. It is grows slowly. No symptoms are noticed. This stage is called the latent stage. The tumor let grow quickly. The cancer cells go beyond adjacent tissues and enter the blood and lymph. Once this happens, they migrate to many other sites in the body where the cancer cells continue to divide, a phenomenon in which cancer cells spread to distant sites through body fluid to develop secondary tumor is called metastasis. Only malignant tumors are properly designated as cancer. Properties of cancer cells. Number 1. Uncontrolled proliferative ability. Number 2. Extracellular growth factors are not recorded. Number 3. Overgrowth and ability to metastasis invade new sites. Number 4. Nucleus becomes irregular with abundant granules. Number 5. There is increase in number of lysosomes, reduction in mitochondrial crystals, more melanin and debris in cytoplasm. Type of cancer. Cancer are classified on the basis of the tissue from where they arose. Cancer are of three main types. Number 1. Carcinomas. This type is mainly derived from epithelial cells. They include cervical. Cervix is part of uterus cancer, breast cancer, skin cancer, brain cancer, lung cancer, stomach cancer. About 80% of all tumors are carcinomas. A. Cancers grow of melanocytes, a type of skin cells, is called melanomas. B. Cancer of glands is called adenocarcinoma. C. Cancer of muscle tissue is known as myoma. Number 2. Sarcomas. These cancers are located in connective and muscular tissues derived from moisture. They include the cancer of bones, cartilage, tendons, adipose tissues, lymphatic tissues, and muscles. A. Cancer of bones is called osteoma. B. Cancer of adipose tissue are known as lymphomas. C. Cancer of lymphatic tissue is called lymphoma. Hodgkin's disease is an example of human lymphoma. In Hodgkin's disease, there is chronic enlargement of the production of lymphocytes by lymph nodes and spleen. They are rare in humans. About 1% of all tumors are sarcomas. Leukemias. Leukemias are characterized by abnormal increase of white blood corpuscle count due to their increased formation in the bone marrow. Leukemias are commonly called blood cancers. Cancer of glial cells of central nervous system is called glioma. World Cancer Day, February 4. The most common cancer in India are mouth throat cancer in men and uterine cervical cancer in women. Cause of cancer. Study of cancer cells is called oncology. Chemical and physical agents that can cause cancer are called carcinogens, which belong to three categories. Number 1 are oncogenic transformations or oncogenesis. They are agents or factors which bring about change in genetic material. They are two types, radiations and chemicals. Number 2, tumor promoters. They promote proliferation of cells which have undergone oncogenic transformation, some growth factors hormone. Number 3, tumor virus. Some viruses are known to be connected with oncogenic transformations. Another classification of carcinogens is as follows. Number 1, physical irritants. Use of canary and earthen pot containing burning coal by cashmeres cause abdominal skin cancer as these people keep canary close to their abdomen during winter. Pedal and tobacco chewing cause oral cancer. Heavy smoking causes lung cancer and may also cause cancer of oral cavity, pharynx, throat, and larynx. Jagged teeth may cause tongue cancer. Excessive exposures to sunlight can cause skin. Number 2, chemical agents. Several chemicals are known to cause cancer. These are caffeine, nicotine, product of combustions of coal and oil, and pesticides. Constant use of artificial sweetener can cause cancer. An animal protein-rich diet is known to cause cancer of large intestine. Breast cancer has hormonal relationship. These some sex hormones and steroids, if secreted or given in large amounts, might cause cancer. Chimney sweepers can develop cancer of scrotum. Dye workers have a high rate of bladder cancer. How cancer spreads? Abnormal increase in number of cells in a tissue or organ, forms a clone of proliferative cells. This excessive proliferation gives rise to a mass of cells which is initially known as benign tumor. The benign tumor cells enter into the blood vessel and migrate to other sites in the body where these cells continue to divide. Such tumor cells are known as malignant cells and tumors are called malignant tumor. The malignant tumors are designated as cancer. Possible symptoms of cancer. Number 1. A persistent cough or hoarseness in a smoker. Number 2. A persistent change in digestive and bowel habits. Number 3. A change in a word of mouth. Number 4. A lump or hard area in the breast. Number 5. Unexpected diminution or lost appetite. Number 6. Unexplained low-grade fever. Number 7. Unexplained loss of weight. Number 8. Any uncurable ulcer. Number 9. Bleeding in vagina at times other than the menstruation. Number 10. Non-injury bleeding from the surface of the skin, mouth, or any other opening of the body. Treatment of cancer. 4 general methods of treatment for cancer are currently available. Number 1. Surgery. It involves the removal of the entire cancerous tissue. Number 2. Radiation therapy. It involves the exposure of the cancer parts of the body to X-rays which destroy rapidly growing cells without harming the surrounding tissue. Radon earn 220, cobalt CO 60, and iodine 131 are radioisotopes which are generally used in radiotherapy. Number 3. Chemotherapy. It involves the administration of certain anti-cancer drugs. These drugs check cell division by inhibiting DNA synthesis. These drugs may be more toxic to cancer cells than to normal cells. These chemotherapy drugs kill cancer cells. Majority of drugs have side effects like hair loss, anemia. Most cancers are treated by combination of surgery, radiotherapy, and chemotherapy. Patients are given substances called biological response modifiers like interferon which activates their immunity system and help in destroying the tumor. A common with Catharanthus rosas is the source of 2 anti-cancer drugs, vinblastine and vincristine, used in the treatment of leukemia. Based on the graph below, breast cancer has the highest number of the new cases in Indonesia at 65,858 cases, or 16.6% of the total 3,096,914 cancer cases. Cervical cancer or cervix ranks second with 36,633 cases or total cancer cases. Lung cancer followed in third place with 34,783 cases. 8 5.8% of total cases. Then liver cancer with 21,392 cases, 5.4% of total cases, and nasopharyngeal cancer, the area above the back of the throat, a total of 19,943 cases, 5% of total cases. Thank you for listening and watching this video. I hope it is useful. Bye bye.